What's up everybody, it's baby Vlogbox Gods here. So today now I'm in USA. So yeah, it's like maybe 21 or 22. So it's like Tuesday 22 maybe. Is it right?
23.
Oh, it's 23. Sorry. So yeah, I'll give you a tour of my cousin's house. You gotta be quiet because your cousin's mom is sleeping. Okay. So here it is. The hall. There. And there's my cousin's mom's bedroom. And that's my cousin's bedroom. This is where I sleep, in my cousin's bedroom. And now let's go check out the kitchen and the dining room. There. Now you know that everything is awesome here, and also I got to play PS4 from my cousins. Oh my! Alright, my cousin's 30 years old, and my oldest cousin is 30 years old, and you can see from here is the view of USA. You can't see it much though. So yeah, and this is the living room. Say hi. Yeah, that's from I don't know who it is. Now let's check downstairs. Downstairs is not the basement. Here we go. Someone just got out. Alright, here's PS4. And this is my cousin's dog. Yuki, the white one. And Luna, the brown one. I wonder who's over there. Hello? It's 2 minutes already. As you can see, it's PS4. There you go. Oh, jeez. You can just lick it. And he also got the golden one. Yeah, the golden one. Hello. I'm making a YouTube channel. A YouTube video, I mean. So yeah. These are the poops, sorry. And I have a nephew. Its name is Marshall. And this is my cousin's girlfriend. Her name is Anne. So yeah, as you know, there's like a fire pit, and also there's some collections over here. Call of Duty, Spider-Man, GTA. It's so hard to download. It's too hard to install, and I want to play this game. UFC, I know this game. I played this one a bit, and these are the few games that I didn't play. This one is NBA. I played this one, and my favorite game is Call of Duty, and the second favorite one is Spider-Man. Mostly Call of Duty. Okay, mostly Call of Duty. And also, if you want to get these, man, I don't know where did they get this one, but yeah. He has PS4, and yeah, I'm not gonna show you right now because I can only play 2 times a day. Oof. All right. Shout out to my friends. Shout out to my friends, FEU Tam Tam, and encouraging Denny, aka Denny Cronin, and the other YouTubers that I know, especially Jamie Pumas and the Stick Gamer. Oh yeah, here's the back one. As you can see, you can't see. How do you? Sorry, it's too. Oh, I'm gay. It's too late. Sorry, it needs to be done. Wait, hold on. I'll just Go on the slide. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. As you can't even see it's because it's too much light. Sorry about everything. What is over there is like there's a car over there that's not ours. And yeah. So if you know Musical Sunshine, we have nephews. Her nephew name is Ziv. Good thing I remember. And this is my cousin's dog.
And then pagpapasok ka sa room ko, saradong pinto dyan.
Sorry, Tagalog. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, if you like my tour, please subscribe. Please, I'm reaching 25 subscribers so I can do Egg Chug Challenge. So see you guys in the next video.